In order to effectively swipe what's working, you have to have a pulse on your industry. So that way, you know when a new product and a business strategy is trending and profiting. You have to know how to find the big players that are the most successful, making the most money. Then you have to swipe their ads, their graphics, their copy, their opt-in funnel, their sales funnel, their upsells, their downsells, and their autoresponder sequences. And then you have to figure out what to do with it all once you have it. So let me go ahead and show you some tools that I use every day to do this. So the first one I like to use is AdBeat, which I pay $399 a month to see the top display ads across display networks and native ad networks. I use What Runs Where, which I pay $299 a month to see the top display ads across mobile networks. I use SpyFu.com, which I pay $139 a month to see the top pay-per-click ads on keywords in the US and the UK. I use SEMrush, which I pay $549.95 a month to see the top pay-per-click ads on keywords in Google and Bing. Then I use Compete.com, which I pay $649 a month to see reporting and benchmarking traffic data on competitors. And then I use SimilarWeb.com, which I pay $799 a month to see the industry analytics and demographic data on competitors. And these are just my everyday tools that I use. And if I had to pick a favorite that I could recommend for you to start using today to really kind of get going with the concept of swiping what's working, it would definitely have to be Buzzsumo, which Buzzsumo is an online tool that gives you the ability to find and to swipe what content is actually performing best for any topic or competitor on the internet. Now, here's how I use it. Most people that actually use this tool come up with ideas for titles and topics that they can create for social media buzz. Now, what I do is I actually enter in the exact match keyword phrase for the content that I actually want to publish. So let's say you were selling a product about Facebook marketing. You could come to Buzzsumo, enter in Facebook marketing, and then sort by total number of shares. And then doing this will give you a glimpse into the internet on what has already gone viral. And then you can use that information as the foundation for your content for your website. Now, this could be for a podcast episode, it could be for a blog post, a YouTube video, a product course, whatever it is that you want to create. So to give you an idea how I actually do this, instead of just showing you a tool and telling you it's a great tool, I want you to see how this actually works in action. So I have a website called Marketer's Paradise, and if you actually go to marketersparadise.com and go to the blog, you'll see an article I posted this titled 10 Ways to Skyrocket Your Social Media ROI. Now, I didn't just come out with this title out of thin air. What did I do? I went to Buzzsumo. I was browsing for articles about social media ROI because there's an area in Buzzsumo where you can see things that are trending based off of a keyword phrase that you put in. So I have one of my keyword phrases as social media, and I saw that something that was trending was about social media ROI. Now you can see the fourth one down on the page has over 1,600 shares, and it was actually posted back in 2015. So I know that this has already gone viral and is titled 4 Awesome Tricks for Better Social Media ROI. So what did I do? Well, I used Buzzsumo to find this and to know that people like it so much that they're sharing it over 1,600 times. I came up with a pretty cool title for a new blog post titled 10 Ways to Skyrocket Your Social Media ROI. And this is what happened. 4,100 shares within 48 hours of posting this article on Marketer's Paradise. That is the power of swiping what's working and using it to your advantage.